In this video, we look at what collections are in Blender. Let's get started. Let's begin by coming back to the Layout tab and over to the Outliner. This is where you'll find collections, a powerful tool in organizing the objects within your scene. Collections provide you control over visibility during render, enable you to light specific objects, and make appending from other scenes both quick and effortless. The scene collection acts as the parent collection, housing all others beneath it. The first collection, aptly named collection, is listed here. Its checkbox ensures that everything inside is included in the view layer, or what's visible in the scene. The eye icon controls visibility, offering a convenient way to hide or unhide objects, while the camera icon governs whether objects are included or excluded from the render. There are additional settings in the filter menu. The next makes objects or collections selectable or unselectable in the viewport. The next option is Disable in Viewport, which turns off or disables the visibility of objects and collections in the viewport. The final two options can be ignored. The first is used for masking objects during render, and the second, Indirect Only, sets collections to contribute solely to indirect light. Close the filter menu and you'll see the icons we've enabled are now available. Double-click the collection and rename it Geo, short for geometry. To create a new collection, right-click and select Create a New Collection. If the Geo collection was previously selected, the new collection will be added inside. Double-click this new collection and rename it Lights. If you want to add the new collection under the Scene collection, first, select the parent scene collection. Right-click and create another. This will appear under the scene collection and you can double-click and rename it Cameras. Reordering collections is a breeze no matter where they're placed. Simply select the Lights collection and drag and drop it over the scene collection to move it. When adding objects to the scene, depending on the selected collection, the object will get placed inside. Select the Geo collection. Then from the Add menu, add a cube. The Extrude from View Layer checkbox lets you control what will be rendered in the current view layer up top here. The next icon will control whether the cube can be selected or not. When off, the cube can't be selected. Really useful when you don't want to accidentally move objects. The eye icon hides objects. The shortcut for hiding is H, and for unhiding Alt+H. Another icon disables objects in the viewport. The camera icon will exclude the object in render. Let's come to the Add menu and from here add a camera. Press G and move this away from the cube. Let's come back to the Add menu and from the Light menu add a sun lamp to the scene. Drag this away from the cube also. To move the light into the Light collection, press M and choose the Light collection to place it inside. If we select the camera, in the outliner, click and drag to drop it into the camera collection. Collections can be closed or expanded using the numpad minus and plus keys. Repeatedly pressing numpad plus expands the hierarchy, while the numpad minus key closes it back one level at a time. The icons signify the objects inside collections. A triangle, for instance, denotes a mesh object, and the 2 indicates there are 2 mesh objects inside this collection.